Okay, we got a package arrival today that I've been eagerly anticipating. It's from Zippo.ca. What could it be? So let's have a look together. Okay, it's from Zippo.ca, so of course they give us the free supply of Zippo fuel and butane, which is always nice. Don't have to buy that stuff. And here's the little gem I've been waiting for right here. It's the Zippo 2021 Collectible of the Year. Looks like the sides open up here. Take a look and see what they sent me. That's pretty nice packaging. All gold and black script. Genuine Zippo product. Card of authenticity that it's the Golden Shadow Swarovski crystal. Only 5,000 of these lighters are made in North America, and only 150 sent to Canada. There's the little beauty right there. Well, it definitely looks better in person than it does in the photos. What number did they get me? Number 725 of 5,000. Look at that crystal just gleaming. It actually looks better in person than it does in pictures online. I definitely have to say that. It's kind of like a black chrome. And there is the gold-plated insert. Look at that, folks. Gotta love it. That's my first gold-plated insert. That's quite the ping. Gotta love it. Zippo Collectable 2021. All right, there you have it.